So magandang araw kabola. Sa video na ito, pag-uusapan po natin kabola. Ito nga pong pre-agency nitong si Troy Rosario. And then, regarding 4-point shot ulit kabola, meron kasi maganda dito kabola. Nabalikan natin yung statement from Coach Tab Baldwin. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Pag-usapan nga muna natin comments ng mga fans. Pa-shoutout sir, salamat po ulit sa continued support sa Ronald Berbusidad. User NY2, nakadami to. I hope idol marinig ang management ng SMB at sila Boss Ramon and Boss Al that need to replace Jordan Adams when they face TNT Miracle on the next crossover. Pa-shoutout naman. Bakit, Kabola? Bakit ayaw mo kay Jordan Adams? I think he is a perfect fit sa team po ng San Miguel. User NY2 ulit. Idol, I heard SMB will take the number 1 pick on the next draft, and that's true. Have a 5th pick in the next draft. Wala pa pong kasiguraduhan yan, Kabola. Ang layo pa natin sa draft. All of course, we have been posting mock drafts. Jeff Ortiz, trade nila sa Converge kay Winston. Yan, that's a possibility, Kabola. And then one more kay user NY2. Must have a trade because that kind of attitude, if a player, yes, they have played outside, but not that attitude of player. I think idol, sabi niya. Ay, hindi naman attitude yun eh. Kabola, attitude ba agad? I mean, karapatan naman nila makipag-negotiate, Kabola eh. Hindi mo talaga pwede makisabing attitude yan, di ba? Hindi naman, oo ka na lang, oo. Kung sa palagay mo naman, hindi ganun talaga yung value mo, Kabola. You have all the right. This is a private negotiation. So, let us keep it to the players to negotiate. Now, ito yung statement, no? Maalala nyo, 2018, very vocal si Coach Tab Baldwin, and he provided a strong critique, constructive criticism about Filipino basketball. And ito yung tagang, kumbaga sa akin, pinaka-heart nun eh. Yung sinabi niya dito na Philippine style of basketball is from a negative standpoint. As opposed to what we should be, it's very simple. This in Philippine basketball, you put the ball in the player's hand, and that player sees what he can create for himself. When that runs into a wall, then he give it to somebody else who does the same thing. The ball. So, basically, he's focusing on hero bowling, and let us be honest, that's true naman, di ba? We love the players who can hero bowl. Yun pa lang eh. Yun pa lang that we love the players that can hero ball in all level of basketball here in the Philippines. And ganun po yung sistema ng almost lahat po ng teams, Kabola, in different levels in basketball in the Philippines. That makes that statement true, Kabola. Now, alam niyo nakakatawa. Ang nakakatawa, Kabola. Di ba? Ang dami bumanat dyan. Kay Coach Tab Baldwin, he provided that statement, Kabola. That strong critique, Kabola. Alam niyo nakakatawa ngayon? They now offer a 4-point shot dito sa PBA. And you know what's happening now, which is of course logical na ganun yung mangyari. Kasi nga binigyan mo pa po ng additional pa po na rason kaya mag-focus sa outside shot. And when you focus on outside shot, ang importante niya dyan, Kabola, is off-ball movement, passing, hindi na po yung dribbling. Of course, crucial pa rin yung dribbling, pero sobrang importante na rin yung magaling pumasa lahat ng 5 players sa loob po ng court. Na lahat po ng mga players capable of shooting from that range. Kabola. And you know what's happening now? What's happening now is that we are now going away from that Filipino brand of basketball. And of course, we give respect to that 4-point line. Mukhang yun naman talaga yung nagiging, kumbaga, magandang epekto naman niya ngayon. Which is of course very ironic kasi nga, binanatan nila nun si Coach Tab Baldwin yung nag-give his statement. And now, they are creating rules, Kabola, that is actually in line with the statement nitong si Coach Tab Baldwin. Diba? So, I mean, what if they actually embrace it earlier, diba? Can we have a much better basketball sana ngayon dito sa ating bansa? Now, pag-usapan natin ang free agency po nitong si Troy Rosario, Kabola. So, September 1, Kabola, actually schedule na mag-end yung kontrata niya. Although, kakalaruhin daw, Kabola, kung diretso daw po ba siya unrestricted free agency or yung nasa rule ba, Kabola, is that dapat mag-resign muna siya until matapos po yung season. Which, of course, laughable, di ba? Laughable. Unang laughable dyan, alam mo yun, pati mga players hindi alam kung anong rules sa PBA kasi actually hindi naman public yung mga rules, Kabola. So, kailangan pang i-confirm. Di ba? Akala mo, of course, I know they are not really a public company. But still, they are a public product. And I think this type of rules should be public, Kabola. Pero overall, I think this statement, the way he answered the questions from the Medyo Kabala, I think Coach or Troy Rosario is really gearing towards creating Kabala bidding war between teams in the PBA and even international teams. I do not think na talagang magiging viable option siya for international teams, knowing that marami na po or almost all the international teams is nakapag-decide na kung sino yung kanila pong Filipino import or kung hindi na po sila kukuha ng Filipino import. So with that, I think this is more about a bidding war between PBA teams and maybe a bidding war between SMC teams, MVP teams, and Converge Kabala. Do not forget about Converge. They have the money to lure Troy Rosario. They have a new branding, new image that they can lure Troy Rosario Kabala. So, with that, sino gusto ko manalo? As long as mapunta po siya sa isang legit team Kabala, I think that will make it better for the league. Kabala, sa pagiging mo, saan kayo mapupunta si Troy? Comment lang po sa baba.